Hello everyone. Today our two beautiful students they conversation each other. So this is the first class for our basic conversation. So they conversation to each other. So you can start now. Okay.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
How are you?
I am fine. What about you?
I am also happy because today is my first day of class.
Me too.
Where are you from?
I am from Highland. And you?
I am from Highland, in front your house.
Do you know me?
Of course, I know you.
How?
I have been following for a long time.
I don't know. You following for me long time.
Yes, because I like you very much.
I like you too, dear.
Thank you.
Thank you.
It's nice
It's
conversation.
nice conversation with you.
চলো এবার সবাই টুকুর হাতে দিতে দাও, খুব সুন্দর করে চলো।